frame is the HCC hollow core carbon frame, featuring size-specific chainstays, with flip chip technology, which enables you to run 29-inch wheels or the mullet system 29, 27.5 rear. On the front we have the Fox 36 factory with 44mm offset, and on the rear we have the factory Fox Float X. On board the Switchblade we have SRAM EXO axis with the new SRAM axis shifter. And on board this bike we have 29-inch DT Swiss XM 1700 with 350 hubs. Thanks for joining me again here at Southfork Racing. That was the rundown of the new 2024 Pivot Switchblade. There are other colours in the frames available and build specs. If you want to know the ins and outs, please just give us a call or send us an email.